Hey guys, welcome to another video episode of CoinSutra, and I'm your host Harsh Agarwal. Well, in the earlier videos, I have given you all the tutorials you needed to learn about Ledger Nano S, which is the most popular hardware wallet out there. In the last video, I've also shared how you can use Ripple wallet on Ledger Nano S. Now, this video is for the beginners who want to transfer Ripple from an exchange to their wallet, Ripple wallet on Ledger Nano S. This is an introductory video. It will help you to understand how you can transfer Ripple without the tag, which is something many of you have the question that how to use the tag on Ledger Nano S. So you'll find the answer to all this question in this video. And if you like this video by the end, do share and give us like and do subscribe so that you stay updated with the latest on cryptocurrency. Well, without further delay, let's go ahead and transfer some of the Ripple from Binance to Ripple wallet on Ledger Nano S. Well, the very first thing you need to do is install the Ledger wallet Ripple. If you have not done that, you can find the link in the description of the official Ledger wallet address and download the Ripple app. Now, once you have downloaded the Ripple app, open the app, and once the app is open, now open the Ripple wallet on your Ledger Nano S. Alright, so the wallet is open. Now here you see there are not much option. One is to send XRP, one is to receive XRP. In this case, we are transferring Ripple from Binance to our Ripple wallet on Ledger Nano S. So let's simply copy the address. So this is our receiving address, and now go to Binance. Now this is you can access your fund by going to funds, deposit, withdrawals, and type XRP, and you can see Ripple is here. Now click on withdrawal, enter the address. It's a good idea to recheck the address once again. So it starts with RA and with 6G, and that's how it is. Now this is the most confusing part for many. As you can see, there is XRP withdrawal tag, which is not there on Ledger Nano S. So basically you don't need XRP withdrawal tag. So we can click on no tags. Now I can transfer 1027. I can transfer maximum, but in this case, let's just transfer 27 Ripple. The transaction fees is 0.25. Now everything looks good. So click on submit. Now I need to enter the authenticator code. Just a second. That's it. Now to confirm the withdrawal, I need to click a confirmation email on my email. So let me also do that. Alright, so you can see here's the email from Binance team. Click on confirm withdrawal. Your withdrawal has been successfully confirmed. You can track the progress on the deposit and withdrawal history. Let's click, and that's it. The withdrawal is confirmed. Now the thing is, we can also check our transfer status by using any of the Ripple Explorer. Let me show you how to do that. So here is one BitHomp Explorer. I've added the link in the description so that you'll have no issue finding the link. Now click on check after adding the receiving address. And here you can see I've already received the transfer here. We can also check by going to home, and you can see like that 26.75 XRP is already in my account, and that's how you transfer XRP from any exchange. In this case, I've used Binance, but you can similarly follow the same process to transfer coin from any exchange to your Ledger wallet. Again, if you have not used Ledger Nano S before or a hardware wallet before, do go through our link to our playlist and watch these few minutes videos to understand how hardware wallet works. It will help you to securely store all your coins on Ledger Nano S. So Ledger Nano S supports Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, Litecoin, Dash, like almost 20 plus coins, plus all the ERC20 token using my Ether wallet. I will talk about that in the next video, but for now, that's how you transfer coin from Binance to Ledger Nano S. If you have any question, feel free to ask me in the comment section below. Do check out our blog and also our forum, where you can find more questions related to Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, Ripple, or any other question you have regarding the complete cryptocurrency. It's a community blog where you can contribute also. You can also go to our forum and answer people's queries, whatever you can help them with. And you can also post your own question that you are facing issues, or you needed some other advice from the fellow like-minded users. With that, I will see you in the next video. This is your host Harsh Agarwal. Bye bye.